What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS geek. Rayware Computers since 1996. You go to rwcweb.com, you put your best email in this box right here, and I shall send you oodles and oodles of great stuff. Now, I've recently turned my lead capture page into a website. Okay, because if you've seen my previous video on this, eventually you got to have a regular website. Now you can continue to do this, like I said in my other video, but you're going to want a website. Okay, eventually you got to have something to go further with your business of affiliate marketing. Okay, now still going to go over these lead capture pages and these bridge pages. Okay, let me just get this out of the way. Let me close some other stuff out that I got open. Okay, always very busy. Now I did a search how to lose weight fast, because the top three niches are health, wealth, and some other crap. I don't know. There's three like top niches. One of them is health and fitness. Another one is wealth. Okay, and honestly, I hear it every day, but it's my brain is drawing a blank right now. I've been doing so much of this stuff all day long. Now, what I found was another one of these bridge pages, which would probably get you kicked off. Okay, if you do it like this. Okay, this looks like a ClickBank product. Let's see. And you always want to investigate what you represent. Okay. This is a bunch of bag over here. That's bullshit. Let's see. No Facebook. Look, this is all bogus. It all seems to be bogus. Okay, so let's see. Rush my order. Where does that take us here? Alright, and you're going to fill out this big gigantic form. And I'm going to send it to you. Did I even show you the price on this? Okay, you're going to get a free bottle when you click here. Find that very hard to believe. Okay. Alright, so anyway, this looks bogus to me. And it's a great landing page. Like these long, ridiculous but it's secure, but let's see where anything takes us here. Okay. So they're not really giving any information about who they are or where they're from. Okay, and believe it or not, a lot of people who get captivated by all this clickbait that they got on here will buy this product. They will buy this product. Okay. And should fill this out just for shits and giggles, huh? See where it takes us. I don't want to make this video too long. So that was one of them there. Now, if this is indeed a product, which again to me it doesn't look like a product, and testimonials, they're usually bogus as shit anyway. Let's see where that picture takes us. Google's got this new thing. That's interesting. Looks like a jewelry. Alright, so here we go. Sharks jumped. Let's see if we can find her. Okay, so, when they do this stuff, it took me right to another. Oh boy. Alright, so what they're doing here also on this page, wherever the hell I'm at now, FitMum, it's going to go right to the affiliate link. Alright, you see how that is? Okay, So there's a lot of bogus stuff out there. It's pretty wild how people get away with this too. Okay, let's just shut this down. Go back to all these testimonials. They're really doing it up on this site, you know. And usually, excuse me, I'm just going to take a drink real quick. Sorry about that. My old bones are getting dry. So again, let's do a quick search, because I know that's going to take me to the affiliate link. Okay, it's going to search this photo. Not very clear. That's okay. Again, like I mentioned in my other videos, a lot of testimonials are bullshit. Most of these, it's probably every link on this page is going to take us to the affiliate link. Now, again, you cannot use these stars. If I would have tracked these stars down, any one of these stars, okay, especially these guys even tell you on their website, if you see anybody doing this, you know, turn them in. Now, what you get, the benefit you can get out of these bogus clickbait sites, and again, every one of these things that I click on is going to take me to the affiliate link. Okay? Now, let's see where the main page is, Entertainment Today. Now, you see, it's okay to make it look like a media site. That's okay. And if you go to the Commons, what they call Creative Commons on YouTube, or if you go to the Wayback Machine, we used to call it the Wayback Machine. It's the archive of all old stuff on the internet, okay? If you go there and you get videos that are what they call Creative Commons, in other words, you have the right to use it related to whatever product you're going to put on here, okay, then you're fine. Then you're fine. You won't be shut down. Now, granted, a lot of affiliate products, like I don't know if you saw my other videos on bridge pages, I was showing one of these, you know, media, pseudo media bridge page. Let me tell you, these sell very readily. If you do this legit, you will definitely, and you get the right traffic to it, you will definitely generate sales. Now, Facebook, you could never use pictures like this on Facebook. I don't know about Pinterest or any other platforms. There's a lot of platforms you can't do this before and after, because it's a sexist thing. Okay? It's immoral in the eyes of the law. All right? Because you're feeding on people's anxiety. And it's very unethical to do it like that. You don't have to do it like that. You know, like for me, anytime I use these before and after videos or pictures, it was of a real person that I know did this, and a real, or myself even. Okay, because I've been in the health and fitness thing for the longest time. My thing is onesetmax.com. Okay, so basically, again, if you get a website, like if I look up entertainmenttoday.com, right? Might be spelling it wrong. Let's see what comes up. Okay, I'll put a number in there. All right, so you see it's for sale. Okay, so it's for sale. Let's go copy this. Okay, we'll go to the archive. It's called the Wayback Machine. Okay, they're asking for donations. I usually donate to them because I use them like crazy. It's a free site. Alright, so let's see when this guy might have got some hits. Whew, not much. Alright, let's go up here and see if we could possibly see if that was ever a legitimate site. Of course not. That's not too long ago. So for a very long time, let's go in the beginning. Boy, this could be a good seed site here too for you. Entertainment. Let's just open it in a new window. Get rid of that. Sherman's Records. Sherman's Records. Let's go see some more captures. So you see what I'm... Very odd. And this was, 2001. Jeez Louise. Okay, so was an entertainment, probably an entertainment affiliate site. Okay. Well, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of this. All right, so back to what we were doing here. Now, again, Entertainment Today, Insider News. Okay. So now with this search, we found a lot of legitimate sites, of course. All right. Again, I don't want to make this video too long. Naturally, to lose weight. So this looks like a blog. Okay, Medical News Today. They look pretty legit. I think I've heard of them before. Okay, so and as you see, a huge blog like this, which probably has thousands of pages, and after a while, when these bloggers they start making money, they got to actually hire people. Oh yeah, this blog probably been around for a long time too. Okay, they actually hire people to do the site for them. Okay, WebMD, Good Housekeeping. Okay, this looks like another blog, and so forth. Okay. So weight loss is obviously a very, very saturated niche. Just because it's saturated doesn't mean you can't do well in it. Okay, but you have to be ethical. You just have to be ethical in your stuff. Okay, so these guys came out #1. Okay, they came out #1 because they're spending money on advertising, and that's how you do it. Okay, that's how you do it. For them to come out as #1, this looks like a legitimate website. Okay.
My name is Maritza. My age is...
Let's see, Maritza.
Just 56. Love sharing that with everyone.
2019.
I'm married for...
Okay, so this is legit people. See who they are. Been around for a while. Okay. And they got a legitimate thing going. And you can make a website. And you can attach it to your YouTube channel. Okay, but again, when you make these kind of pages and you want to make it look like news, now, I like that extension, Gigi. Let's see where the main site is. Because what you'll do is you'll alright, so they got it all on one thing, okay? What I like to do with this is I'll have, like, say my site is entertainmenttoday.com, okay, or entertainmentnews.com, okay? You can literally leave the index page blank and then promote different products, okay, in different subfolders, so forth, okay? Hey, Ewan. So this is Ray, the the old DOS geek, Grayware Computers since 1996. Go to my YouTube channel, look at some of the free stuff I have to offer, okay? I'm going to finish my website. I'm going to have a lot of great free stuff for you, okay? Coming soon. Going to have a lot of great free stuff for you. And you want to use the free stuff and try it out, okay? Because affiliate products can crap out. You can make mistakes and get banned. And if you're going to be paying for stuff and you're going to get banned from stuff, it's going to be very discouraging. And I don't want to see you fail. I want to see you succeed. Lord knows I've failed thousands and thousands of times as long as I've been doing this. And it's very discouraging, it really is. Okay? So, use some of my resources. Okay? Use a lot of the free stuff that I'm showing you. And learn how to do it the right way. And the best way to learn is through your own experience as well. So I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe, because that's what YouTube tells me to ask you guys. Take care.